This presentation is called Communication Without Words by Lisa Swenson. Much of what we say takes place without words. This is known as nonverbal communication. These are some ways in which we express ourselves nonverbally. 1. The expression on our faces can convey happiness, sadness, fear, anger, or disgust, just to name a few. 2. Eye contact, or lack of it, and the direction we look also sends the viewer a message. 3. Many gestures are easily read and add emphasis to our speech. This is also sometimes known as talking with our hands. 4. Body language takes many forms, but often communicates more honestly than words themselves. 5. Tone of voice can portray excitement, anger, boredom, or many other emotions. The following slides demonstrate many of these aspects of nonverbal communication. What I see in this photograph is a young man who is fairly confident and self-assured. What tells me this is his body language, his posture standing up straight and tall with his hand on his hip, his direct eye contact, and his half smile. It appears to me that he is happy with who he is. Each picture tells a story, and this one says to me that this woman is a little bit hesitant and shy from the expression on her face. She does have direct eye contact, but with some trepidation. Her crossed arms and legs say to me that she's a little closed off and possibly somewhat uncomfortable with having her picture taken. This man's picture indicates strength and authority. His posture is straight on to the camera, broad-chested, arms resting on knees. He appears confident and challenging. The flared nostrils and the wide-open eyes could indicate anger or just a "don't mess with me" look. This slide holds so much emotion for me. Her eyes convey fear, but strength and courage in the directness of her look. Her mouth is slightly upturned and expresses disdain. The arm across the body seems an effort to protect, and she's turned sideways as well. The faces in the background show concern and also support. Gestures can range from the silly to the obscene. In any case, they are commonly used and understood. A wave can mean hello or goodbye. A hand held up is stop. A finger beckoning, come here. A hand held above your head can indicate tall, or down low, short. A nod of the head is yes, a shake of the head is no. And how about thumbs up or okay? Holding our hands with palms up and a shrug of the shoulders, I don't know. Call me, a hand held beside the head in the shape of a telephone, or what time is it, pointing to our wrist like a wristwatch. And getting to the silly, waving our hand in front of our noses. We all know what that means. There are just a couple more points I want to make on this topic. The tone and quality of our voice can make a big difference, even in saying the same sentence. For example, get out of here is joking and playful, or get out of here, angry, and you mean it. Again, I can hardly wait to meet your parents, excited and sincere, or I can hardly wait to meet your parents, sarcastic, and maybe accompanied by an eye roll. Inflection or emphasis. Again, the same sentence. I need those papers brought to my office, signifying which papers, or I need those papers brought to my office. The emphasis is on where the papers are to be brought. This concludes my presentation. I hope you have enjoyed it and learned something about nonverbal communication.